Are you intrigued by the Instant Pot but unsure of its capabilities? Today, we'll break down how this kitchen appliance can do everything from cooking to baking. First off, the Instant Pot is a multifunctional appliance combining pressure cooker, slow cooker, and rice cooker functionalities. Once you master its basic settings, it can significantly streamline your cooking routine. Let's look at how the Instant Pot works. It operates under pressure, which means it cooks food faster and more efficiently than conventional methods. The pressure builds up inside the pot, increasing the boiling point of water. One surprising feature is its ability to preserve nutrients, unlike traditional cooking methods that can leach out vitamins and minerals do. To high heat, the Instant Pot's sealed environment helps retain more of these essential nutrients. But did you know it can also be used for baking? By adjusting cook times and adding ingredients like vinegar to the water, you can prepare foods that are easy to peel or bake in muffin shapes. With a variety of healthy recipes available for every mealtime, the Instant Pot not only simplifies cooking but also promotes healthier eating habits. From breakfast to dinner, it's all about convenience and nutrition. In summary, the Instant Pot is a versatile kitchen tool that can revolutionize how you prepare meals. Whether you're looking to save time or want healthier options, it's definitely worth exploring further. So there you have it, the Instant Pot can truly do everything. What exciting recipes are you planning to try next? Share your favorites in the comments.